Question 9. Three towns P, Q and R are marked on the diagram. The distance from R to P is 76 kilometers. Angle RQP is equal to 26 degrees and angle RPQ is equal to 46 degrees. What is the distance from P to Q to the nearest kilometer? Triangle RPQ is a non-right angled triangle with a known side angle pair. We know this angle here, which is angle RQP, which is 26 degrees, and we know the side that's opposite this angle, which is side RP, which is 76 kilometers. Hence, I'm going to apply the sine rule to find the distance from P to Q. So I'm going to refer to this side here as side PQ. But before we can apply the sine rule, we need this side here, but we also need the angle opposite the side that we're trying to find in order to apply the sine rule. So I need to find this angle here first, which I've marked with angle theta. So this is angle QRP. Now I know this angle here, I know this angle here, I know the angle sum of a triangle is 180 degrees. So in order to find this angle here, I subtract 26 degrees and 46 degrees from 180 degrees. So angle theta is equal to 180 degrees minus 26 degrees minus 46 degrees, which equals 108 degrees. So this angle here is 108 degrees, and the side that's opposite 108 degrees is the side that we want to find. So applying the sine rule, and I've marked this with x, x over sine 108 degrees is equal to 76 over sine 26 degrees. Rearranging this equation to make x the subject, and we do that by multiplying this fraction here, 76 over sine 26 degrees, by the denominator, which is sine 108 degrees. So x is equal to sine 108 degrees times 76 over sine 26 degrees. And evaluating this expression here, we get 164.88 and so on. And rounding that to the nearest kilometer, we get 165 kilometers. Therefore, the correct answer is option C.